If your printouts become too light, or you see dark or light bands across them, you may need to clean the print head nozzles. Cleaning uses ink, so clean the nozzles only if print quality declines. You can check for clogged nozzles before you clean them so you don't clean them unnecessarily. You may not be able to clean the print head when the ink level in any of the tanks is low. You may have to refill the ink tank first. Make sure no product lights are indicating errors. Load a few sheets of plain paper in the product. Access the Windows desktop and right-click the icon for your product in the right side of the Windows taskbar, or click the up arrow and right-click. Select Head Cleaning. You see a window like this. Click Start to begin the cleaning cycle. Never turn off the product during a cleaning cycle or you may damage it. When the cleaning cycle is finished, you can check to see if the nozzles are clean. Click Print Nozzle Check Pattern and click Print. Access the Windows desktop and right-click the icon for your product in the right side of the Windows taskbar, or click the up arrow and right-click. Select Nozzle Check. You see a window like this. Click Print. Check the printed pattern to see if there are gaps in the lines. Do one of the following. If there are no gaps, click Finish. If there are gaps or the pattern is faint, clean the print head. If you don't see any improvement after cleaning the print head up to 3 times, turn off the product and wait at least 12 hours. Then try cleaning the print head again. If quality still does not improve, run a power cleaning. Running a power cleaning consumes a lot of ink, so you should run it only if necessary. Make sure each ink tank is at least 1/3 full before running a power cleaning, or it may damage the product. Access the Windows desktop and right-click the icon for your product in the right side of the Windows taskbar, or click the up arrow and right-click. Select Printer Settings and click the Maintenance tab. Select Power Cleaning. You see a window like this. Follow the on-screen instructions to run a power cleaning. When power cleaning is finished, run a nozzle check. If print quality has not improved after running power cleaning, wait for at least 12 hours without printing, and then print the nozzle check pattern again. Run print head cleaning or power cleaning again depending on the printed pattern. If quality still does not improve, contact Epson support.